Okay, we're going to call these D and E just for the purposes of labeling these. Oops. Okay, so for letter D here, we're still using this f of x equals x over 3 plus 7. However, in D it says find the input. Well, we know the input is x, so we need to find x when y is 13, because y and f of x are the same thing. So what we do here is we know that f of x is 13, so we're going to plug 13 in for f of x, and now we can solve this equation for x. The first thing we would do to solve is we would subtract 7 from both sides. So you'd have 6 equals x over 3. We would multiply both sides by 3. So we get out 18 for x. So in this case, f of 18 equals 13. Our input is 18, our output is 13. Find the input for which f of x equals 0. So here, y equals 0. Okay, we're trying to find x, and we're still going to use our f of x equals x over 3 plus 7. So we're going to replace f of x with 0 because they just told us right here f of x is 0, and leave the right hand side the same, and now we can solve for x. We'll subtract 7 from both sides, and then we'll multiply both sides by 3. So we get negative 21 equals x. So the way we would write this is f of negative 21 equals 0. So our input that we found is negative 21, and our output is 0.